Hi, I'm Nishani. I'm currently based in Qatar. I am in CBSE curriculum, Rajagiri Public School, grade 12. I'm applying for medical universities in Hungary, Czech, and Poland. And I was a little bit nervous about the examinations, so when Cambridge sent a mail for the prep classes, even my parents thought that it's a sure shot and we'll understand the question in the curriculum since it's a little bit different than what we usually do in CBSE. I would say it matches with the A levels somewhat, but still some things are higher or lower here and there. So these prep classes give you an overall idea about what actually needs to be done and what you need to do. And they will even give you the preparation material, so you don't need to buy any other books or do referencing, which is a quite tough job at this time when we have our exams and everything coming together. All the teachers for each subject were really experienced, you could say, and they will make you feel comfortable. Even if there is any issue, they will keep asking again and again. You can clarify your doubts. They will keep asking after every question, so there's no chance of not understanding or missing anything. Exclusively, if you want to ask something personally, they also give their insights. They will share extra information. So there's nothing really to be nervous about or not know or be confused. They guide you through each and every step, and everything is clearly mentioned. You'll get the timings, dates, the schedule a few days ago. Everything will be properly done. So it's a good experience and it will give you confidence to appear for the exam. According to my expectations, what I'd expected was that I would know what I exactly need to be prepared with, how will the questions come, and how to approach or will I get sample question timing and all that. And I think all the teachers have delivered that. We got exact detail on how or what portions where the topics coming, like how we should approach the questions and how they'll come for like each country. They'll also specifically mention it, and there is ample prep material given by both. I was a little bit worried about my bio since it's a medical in a university entrance exam, so they will be high on the bio, and I was not confident that it will meet up to my CBSE things. But then when the bio classes were conducted, I saw that we were pretty up to date, and there was just like a few topics we need to cover up and down. So yeah, it did raise my confidence. Favorite also, I would have to be the bio teacher. She was just a student. She actually felt through what we were going through. She conducted the classes and she explained in a way she knew that we would understand and it'll be better.